Welcome to the Found Sound GarageBand Project. We're going to learn how to make music with just the sounds from our own home and the sampler in GarageBand. For this project, you'll either need an iPad or an iPhone with GarageBand downloaded. We're going to do this project in stages so everyone can keep up. Remember, you can pause and rewind this video at any time. For best results, you're going to want to choose a mixture of pitched and unpitched sounds. Have a look at the next couple of clips to see what I mean. Unpitched sounds are great for anything rhythmic like drums. Pitched sounds are what you need for things like melody and bass. Once you've recorded your sample, you can edit it to change the way it sounds. In this example, I'm trying to get a low-pitched drum sound. Here are my 5 Found Sound samples in GarageBand.